Hi there! Welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. Please follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube if you like what you see here. Also, if you like what you see and you want a referral code to Birchbox, let me know. I'll hook you up with that too. This is the April Birchbox. It's called Bright Ideas, and it's all about infusing joy into your beauty routine. Now, you may notice something different. There are 6 products now. That's right. Birchbox changed things, and now they're doing 6 products, but they raised the price like $2. But yeah, so there's that. But if you get a discount, if you pay for it annually like I do. So let's get into the product. So hey, April, Birchbox, little hologrammy sparkly box. Got a little note. It says, "This is the beginning of a new Birchbox experience and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater values, new brands, and fun surprises along the way." There's already a surprise in this box. Like, there's a full-size product. That's pretty freaking awesome. And then you can even text them, which I might. I don't know. It's pretty cool. So anyway, we still got the little card, tells you everything that's in the box, which is fun. I love that, enjoy that. And it tells you how much the full-size products are in case you really like something and want to buy it. So we have Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Cleansing Gel. So vitamin C extract cleanser that sweeps away grime and dirt while protecting against signs of aging. Who doesn't love that? Then we have the full-size Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick. It's metallic. It's amaretto pout. Okay, I'm not sure how I feel about Grande Lips because it does that tingly thing where it's plumping your lips, but like sometimes it hurts. Sometimes it does. So let's see here. Amaretto pout. I do like that their applicator has like a tip so that you can actually use it as like a liner. And then you can build the color from there. Oh, I feel very late 90s gothy right now. Like, this is the color I was rocking in like 1998. Yes. Oh, I'm having 90s flashbacks. I enjoy that. I'm serious. This is like the color I was rocking in like 98. Then we have Jouer. I always... Jouer? I don't know. Anyway, it's a cream highlighter. It's a cream highlighter. It's a shimmery gold, which is their bestseller. I'll highlight. I like cream highlighters. They add an extra dimension of glow. So, oh, here's another place that you can always put it right there. Give that brow bone a little boost. Yay. Then we have Marcelle City 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturizing emulsion. Okay, I think that means it's a moisturizer. But anti-pollution, why didn't I have this when I was in Los Angeles? I mean, Chicago has pollution, but I guess if you live in LA, maybe invest in this. Then we have, oh, I love this one. I've had this before. OUAI, or however you pronounce it. Why do you make your beauty products so hard to pronounce? It's volume spray. I love it. Scrunch it up, give it volume, tease it. And, you know, like I said, I'm a child of the 80s. We love the big hair. And then we have, finally, Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil. It's a cult favorite according to my little sheet here. It's a retinol oil that reduces the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and redness over time. Start by applying a few drops after moisturizing twice a week and work up to more. Now here's the thing. Sunday Riley, every now and then, they have products that just stink. And I hate to say that, but it's true. So I'm gonna... Okay, this does not stink. Their lactic acid serum or whatever, I cannot stand the smell of it. I've had it like 3 times in boxes. It is gross. Honest review there. So, again, April Birchbox. Until next time, follow me and stay beautiful.